Hi friends, today I am going to share with you the secret of cracking UPSC Prelims. Once you know this secret and master this secret, cracking UPSC Prelims examination will become a cakewalk. And I am telling you from my own experience. Let me tell you something about myself. I cracked the UPSC Prelims examination 6 out of 6 times. You can see here. I cracked the UPSC mains examination 4 times. I even cracked my state services examination and I was allotted the state administrative service. So I have a vast experience in this competitive examination, and that secret of cracking UPSC prelims is to understand how UPSC question setters frame questions. Guys, let me tell you, once you understand how they frame questions, what kind of words they choose, then without even knowing the topic, you will be able to solve questions. Guys, topics may change, subject may change, but the manner in which questions are getting framed, once you crack that, once you understand that logic, how the questions are getting framed, guys, I'm telling you, UPSC prelims will become the easiest exam for you guys. Let me tell you frankly, and I'm telling you from my experience. You can see the scores. These kinds of scores are impossible only with knowledge. You can only score such marks with elimination techniques, with understanding the mindset, how questions are getting framed. Many of you must be aiming for forest services. You know, guys, for the forest services, the cutoff is at least 10 to 15 marks more than the civil services. So you need to score very high marks. If you apply my techniques, if you revise my important topics, guys, I can tell you, you can easily score very high marks in the prelims examination. So let us start. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one question which came in UPSC prelims examination 2025. Okay, this was a 2025 question. You can see here they have given the difference between RTGS and NEFT, and they have given 3 statements, and they're asking how many of the 3 statements are correct. Okay, you can see this question, guys. Okay, if you read this, you will see here there is one word, while. You can see here while, and you can see here, okay, while. Okay, UPSC question setters, okay, whenever they have to frame a question where there is comparison, when there is comparison, okay, when they have to compare A versus B, they use this while statement. Okay, guys, in my experience of analyzing last 25 years of UPSC prelims question, I came to the conclusion that most of the UPSC, okay, whenever they are framing while statement, okay, these while statements are generally incorrect. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you all this. Okay, so there are various kinds of patterns. Sometimes they will use while in all the 3 statements. Okay, sometimes they will use while in all the 3 statements. So obviously all the 3 statements will not be incorrect. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, so what did we learn? Okay, whenever they are using while in comparison, generally the statements will be incorrect. Okay, I'm telling you, generally the statement will be incorrect. Okay, but there are a lot of variety in this. Don't blindly follow this. Okay, listen to this very carefully. I have various varieties of questions using this while format where they are comparing, and there are different set of rules for different set of questions. So please listen to this till the end of this lecture, and then only apply this in exam. Otherwise you will get it wrong, and then you will say, sir, I applied it but it did not work. It will work if you follow everything what I say in this video. So I'm just getting started. So if you are liking this video, do consider giving a like and share this video with your friends. So guys, what I'm telling you is that whenever while is used for comparison, for example, here they are comparing RTGS with NEFT. Okay, generally those statements are what? Generally those statements are what? Incorrect. Okay, but if they are using while in all the statements, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the statements they are using while, then obviously all the statements are not going to be incorrect. There has to be one statement which is correct. Okay, and which will be that statement? That statement will be those statements which will define that. Okay, so you can see statement 1. Okay, it is very simple. What is statement 1 saying? RTGS is settlement time is instantaneous. Okay, what is the full form of RTGS? Real time. Okay, the full form of RTGS is what? real time. Real time means what? What is real time? Instantaneous. So statement 1 is talking about the nature of RTGS and NEFT. Whenever something is talking about the nature, definition, that statement will be pakka correct. Okay, so here statement 1 will be correct. Here statement 1 will be correct. Here statement 1 will be correct and statement 2 and 3 will be incorrect. Why? Because you can see here while is used. Whenever while is used for comparison, generally those statements are incorrect. Obviously guys, you can see here the options. None of the options are having, none of them are correct. So one has to be correct. One has to be correct. Which is that statement which has to be correct? Obviously the statement 1, because statement 1 is talking about the nature of RTGS. Nature. And if you have little bit information, what is RTGS? It is real time. It is real time. Real time means instantaneous. So statement 1 is correct. I hope I make sense. I hope I make sense. This is something new. Okay, these are new techniques which you must have not gone anywhere in the country. I'm telling you, so guys, these kinds of techniques, I'm telling you, no one will teach you in this country. Okay, and I'm telling you with confidence. And this kind of scores also, guys, very few places you will see. Okay, people who are mentoring for the prelims examination, they have scored such kind of marks. Okay, this is only because of my expertise. And in my prelims mentorship batch, I'm sharing you that expertise. If you want my expertise, if you want my predictions for the UPSC Prelims 2026, please do connect with me. This is the number of my team. Okay, this is the number of my team. You can call my team and get all the important questions, all the important topics which you need to revise before the exam. Guys, okay, there is a saying that you don't need to make all the mistakes. You should learn from experts. Okay, there are many aspirants, they are wasting their attempts. Okay, and they're saying, sir, I will experiment, I will do trial and error. Guys, do not do trial and error. When you have some expert with you, why the hell you want to do trial and error and waste your attempts? Guys, these days prelims is becoming very competitive. Every prelims is like a golden chance for you. You know guys, out of all the 3 stages of the UPSC examination, the prelim stage which is the toughest stage. Okay, and I can help you crack prelim stage very easily. So the answer will be what, guys? What will the answer will be? Answer will be what? Okay, you can see here, consider the following statements. Okay, which of the following statements, which of the following statement given are correct? Okay, so statement 1 only will be correct. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear, guys. Let us now move to the second question. So whenever only one statement they have used while, whenever they have used only one statement while, so it is very easy. Definitely that statement will be incorrect. Okay, it is very easy. Definitely that one statement will be incorrect. The problem is whenever they are using while in all the 3 statements, all the 4 statements, that is a big challenge. That is a big challenge. But whenever they are using while in just one statement, definitely that statement will be incorrect. I'm going to show you some more questions. This is 2022 question. You can see, with reference to expenditure made by the organization or a company, which of the following statement is correct? Debt financing is considered capital expenditure, while equity financing is considered revenue expenditure. While is coming comparing between debt financing and equity financing, that is an incorrect. Again you see this. Again you see this, guys. Here you can see here, while while a chip PIN debit card has 4 factors of authentication, Bheem app has only 2 factors of authentication. Again you can see while. Statement 2 will be incorrect. Statement 2 will be incorrect. Whenever there will be a comparison, again I'm saying this is a very popular theme in the prelims examination. Every year at least 2 to 3 questions you will get on comparison. Okay, on comparison. Keep this in mind. Such kind of techniques, I'm telling you guys, you will not find anywhere in this country. Okay, consider giving a like to this stream and share this video with all the aspirants. Okay, I got a lot of good comments in the last video. I'm very happy. A lot of people calling me from Karnataka and also Andhra Pradesh. So thank you guys for liking my video and giving so many positive comments. I'm really happy. Okay, you know, you will be surprised. Okay, even I was there in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Warangal. I have stayed 4 years in Warangal. So whenever I get a call from Warangal, I become very happy. Okay, so I'm very happy. I got a lot of comments from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana yesterday. Okay, and a lot of comments also in my that video. Okay, so please do comment. I like your comments. I like your each and every suggestion and I'll incorporate them in my next video. Let us see this question, guys. With reference to pulse production, consider the following statements. Okay, you can see black gram can be cultivated both kharif and rabi. Green gram alone accounts for nearly half of the pulse production. Statement 3 says, guys, in the last 3 decades, while the production of kharif pulse increased, the production of rabi pulse has decreased. Again, you see comparison between rabi and kharif. Comparison between rabi and kharif. Comparison question, while question, only one statement. Comparison question, only one statement. Definitely that statement will be incorrect. Definitely that statement will be incorrect, guys. This helps you reduce lot of options. This helps you reduce lot of options. From 4 options, now you have only 2 options to choose from. And you see, second statement is an extreme statement. Second statement is an extreme statement. You eliminate second statement and you get the answer 1 only. Why second statement is extreme statement? You can see green gram alone. Green gram alone accounts for extreme statement. Okay, your mind should click. Reading each and every sentences, each and every word is very careful. That is why, guys, I say in UPSC Prelims examination is not about knowledge. Let me tell you, not about knowledge. I can tell you, guys, there will be many aspirants. I'm telling you, I can give open challenge. You can read whatever books you want to read. And you can take time, 3 years, 4 years, you try to score like this. Such kind of scores cannot be scored just by knowledge, guys. Let me tell you frankly. Let me tell you frankly, you need that expertise. You need that fine reading. Reading between the lines. It is called what? Reading between the lines. Reading between lines. You have to read between the lines. Read carefully each and every word and then you can catch them. Okay, again I'm saying subjects may change. Okay, the techniques will remain the same. See, this is a geography question. This is a geography question. This was what? This was what? This was a science and tech and economy question. Bheem app. Okay, it's an economy question. Now you see this question. This question was what? Economy question. This was what? Economy questions. So subjects are changing, but the manner in which questions are getting framed remains the same. That's why I say, guys, this is a secret. This is a secret. Once you understand this, there are so many such patterns in the exam, okay, which I have shared in my PYQ batch. You can get it here. Okay, call this number. Okay, I've shared a lot of things. And the most important thing is, guys, do not just learn the techniques, apply them. You know, guys, our Lach series is the only test series where we are framing questions using these techniques. Because once you apply these techniques before exam, then only you get the confidence. A lot of people, you know, what they do, they just watch a video. And in the exam, they go and they are not able to apply. Why they are not able to apply? They are not able to apply because they have not practiced it. Guys, imagine you watch Sachin Tendulkar playing cricket. You watch, okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, okay, hitting sixes. Can you hit like Sachin? Can you hit like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, helicopter shot, just by watching him? Obviously not. Then why the hell here you are just watching some trick, but you are not practicing those tricks? How will you apply in the exam hall? Tell me, is it possible? Tell me honestly. So if you really want to apply them, start practicing questions, guys. Start practicing my questions, guys. I have framed important questions for the prelims examination. You can see these are the important questions. Practice them, guys. I'm telling you, this is really going to help you. This is the telegram. You can telegram me here if you want these questions. If you want this question, okay. Guys, please do remain in the video because I'm going to share where this technique will not work also, okay. So you need to know that also. If you just like blindly follow this, then you will lose marks, okay. No, let us now go to another question. Let us read this question, 2014 question. This 2014 question. Again, same thing. Again, same thing. Read the statement 1. With reference to two non-conventional energy sources called coal-bed methane and shale gas. Coal-bed methane and shale gas. Consider the following statements. Coal-bed methane is the pure methane extracted from the coal seams, while shale gas is a mixture of propane and butane only that can be extracted from, okay, fine-grained sedimentary rocks. Okay, you can see this statement. Okay, so here you see while is used. Okay, let us read carefully. This is a big, like this is a very big statement. Okay, so some people, they don't have the patience to read it. Okay, inside the exam hall, and they get it wrong. Okay, so while is used or not, coal-based methane is pure methane gas. Shell gas is a mixture of propane and butane. While, this statement will be incorrect. While again is used. Okay, in this case, this statement is also incorrect. Answer is neither 1 or 2. Why? Because in India, abundant methane sources exist, but so far no sources have been found. No sources have been found. Generally, extreme treatment eliminate that. But here, our concept is what? While. While. Whenever we come across while, and if it is used only once, that statement will be incorrect. That statement will be incorrect. Okay, you can see here the type of questions we have taken today. You can see we took this question. First one was 2025 question, the RTGS question. The second one was this, okay, debt financing question. The third one was the Bheem app. The fourth one was the pulses production. You see what UPSC does is, what they will do? They'll form another question. They'll form question with what? Oil seeds. Okay, similar question they can form for oil seeds or for something like, okay, same. Pulses, different types of pulses, different type of oil seeds they will give you. Groundnut, soya bean. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, sunflower. Okay, now you see this. Now you see this. Okay, so I would like to tell you something where is exception. Exceptions are also very important. Okay, so in this case you see this question, which is a UPSC prelims question. Some Buddhist rock caves are called chaityas, while other are called viharas. What is the difference between them? Here you can see all options have while. So obviously this will not apply here. Okay, so don't blindly do it. So in ABCD format, if while is used, don't apply it. It may get you wrong. Okay, so I was telling you now, in the end I'll share a exception also where it will not apply. Because if you blindly start applying, you lose marks. Okay, that is why I tell you, if you really want to master this elimination technique, solve my PPP questions. Daily I am framing 10 PPP questions using these tricks. But very few people listen and very few people clear. That's why, okay, most of the people fail in the prelims examination. Okay, out of 100 people who will be attempting prelims this year, 99 are going to fail only, na? Only one is going to pass. And only one basically listen also. Out of hundreds of people, only few people listen my advice. Guys, if you do not listen to the advice of experts, you will repent in your life. Okay, suppose when we go to a doctor, the doctor is an expert of health. Doctor is an expert of diseases. Doctor says us, okay, please do not smoke, please do not drink. We don't listen. Then what will happen? We keep on drinking, we keep on smoking, or the doctor says, please go for some exercise. We don't listen to the doctor. Then what happens? We become obese, we get diabetes, we get sugar, and then we repent. Oh, I should have listened to the doctor, I should have listened to the expert. Same thing is in the prelims also, guys. Listen to the expert. In life, if you really want to grow fast, we all want success, and we want success fast. How we get success fast? Just think. We can only get success fast when we learn from others. If we make all the mistakes and learn from ourselves, then guys, you will never succeed fast in your life. You will always be a latecomer. You will always be a latecomer. So you have to choose. Do you want to crack prelims this year, or do you want to keep making mistake and keep writing prelims and keep discovering self-discovery? Okay, do not go for self-discovery. I have already discovered all the truth of the prelims examination. Rely on my expertise, rely on my truth, and crack the prelims examination. Again, I would like to repeat, please get these important questions. These questions can really change your fate in the prelims 2026. Thank you, bye-bye, and take care. And again, I repeat, please do like, subscribe, and share, particularly if you're from Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, and Northeast, because a lot of people are calling from there. So I wanted to give a shout out. Thank you, bye-bye, take care.